Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, today we will revise small letters A to Z. Okay? First letter is E. Make a curve, go up, come down. Small letter E. What comes after A? B. Come down with a standing line. Go to the middle line and make a right side curve. Small letter B. Next is C. Make a curve of left side. C. Next D. Come down with the standing line. Go to the middle line and make a curve of left side. D. Next letter is E. Make a curve. Small letter E. Next letter is F. Make a standing line. Go up. Make a small curve. Go to the middle line and draw small sleeping line. F. Next letter is G. Make a curve. Go up. Come down. Make a small curve. G. Next letter is H. Come down with a standing line. Go to the middle line. Come down with a curve. H. Next is I. Come down with a small standing line and dot. I. Next letter is J. Come down with a standing line and make a small curve. Dot. J. Next letter is K. Come down with a standing line. Make a small slanting line and again make a small slanting line. K. Next letter is L. Come down with a standing line. L. What comes after L? M. Draw small standing line. Go up. Come down with a curve. Again go up. Come down with a curve. M. Next letter is N. Draw small standing line. Go up. Come down with a curve. N. Next letter is O. O. Next letter is P. Come down with a standing line. Go to the middle line and make a curve. P. Next letter is Q. Make a curve. Come down with the standing line. Q. Next letter is R. Come down with the small standing line. Go up. Make a small curve. R. Next letter is S. Make a curve. Again curve. Again curve. S. Next letter is T. Come down, make a curve and draw small sleeping line. T. What comes after T? U. Put your pencil on the dot. Come down, go up with a curve. U. What comes after U? V. Slanting line and go up with the slanting line. V. What comes after V? W. Come down with the slanting line, go up, down, up. W. Next letter is X. Come down with the slanting line and again draw slanting line. X. Next letter is Y. Draw slanting line and again draw small slanting line. Y. And next letter is Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? Z. So children, what did we revise today? Small letters A to Z. Have a nice day.